Have you ever chewed gum or brushed your teeth and felt that cool, minty tingle? Chances are, you were tasting spearmint. It's everywhere, but have you ever wondered why this one flavor is so popular? Spearmint isn't just about fresh breath. There's fascinating science in those green leaves. Today, we'll explore spearmint's history, its chemistry, and how it impacts our lives. This is more than a story about a plant. It's about how nature, science, and history connect. A simple leaf holds secrets scientists are still unlocking. Let's dive in and discover what makes spearmint so special. By the end, you'll see spearmint is much more than just a flavor. Let's get started. So, what is spearmint? You've probably seen it in gardens, grocery stores, or even growing wild along a sidewalk, but there's a lot more to this vibrant green herb than meets the eye. Spearmint is one of nature's most versatile and fascinating plants, cherished for centuries across the globe. Its scientific name is Mentha spicata, and it's part of the mint family, famous for strong, pleasant scents. The mint family, or Lamiaceae, includes many aromatic herbs, but spearmint stands out for its unique fragrance and flavor profile. Unlike peppermint, which is loaded with menthol and delivers a sharp, icy punch, spearmint's main chemical is carvone, giving it that sweet, cool flavor that's milder and more approachable. This difference in chemistry is why spearmint tastes so distinct from its minty cousins. Spearmint is a herb, used for flavor, medicine, and even perfume. From ancient times, people have relied on spearmint to freshen breath, soothe stomachs, and add a burst of freshness to dishes and drinks. Its essential oil is a prized ingredient in everything from toothpaste to herbal teas. Its spear-shaped, jagged leaves are bright green and release a refreshing scent when rubbed. The leaves are not just beautiful, they're packed with aromatic oils that make spearmint instantly recognizable, even from a distance. The plant is perennial, coming back year after year, and grows on a square stem, a classic mint family trait. This means you can plant it once and enjoy its bounty for seasons to come, making it a favorite among gardeners and herbalists alike. In summer, it blooms with pink or lilac flowers on slender spikes. These delicate blossoms not only attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, but also add a splash of color to herb gardens and wild landscapes. Spearmint is tough, thriving in many places. Whether in rich garden soil or rocky patches, it spreads quickly and can adapt to a variety of climates, making it a truly resilient herb. The real magic is in its essential oil, packed with carvone. This oil is carefully extracted and used in countless products, from chewing gum to aromatherapy blends, thanks to its uplifting scent and flavor. This oil protects the plant from pests, but for us, it creates that cooling sensation. It's nature's way of defending itself, yet it's also a gift to our senses. It doesn't actually make your mouth colder, it just tricks your brain. The carvone in spearmint interacts with sensory receptors, sending signals that mimic the feeling of coolness, even though the temperature hasn't changed at all. That's the cool chemistry of spearmint. Scientists continue to study how these natural compounds work, revealing more about the fascinating ways plants interact with our senses and our bodies. Next time you taste it, remember, it's science in action. Every bite or sip is a tiny experiment, blending nature and chemistry in a way that's both delicious and intriguing. Pretty amazing for a humble herb. From your kitchen to the laboratory, spearmint is a true green wonder, simple yet full of surprises, and always ready to refresh your senses. Where does spearmint come from? You might be surprised to learn that this fragrant, refreshing herb has a fascinating journey that spans continents and centuries. Spearmint, with its bright green leaves and cool aroma, is a plant that's been cherished by people for thousands of years. Originally, spearmint grew wild in Europe and Asia, especially thriving in the warm, sunny climates around the Mediterranean Sea. The plant flourished in these regions, where the soil was rich and the weather ideal for herbs. Ancient civilizations quickly recognized spearmint's value, not just for its flavor, but for its medicinal and aromatic qualities. People began cultivating it in their gardens, using it in everything from food and drink to traditional remedies and rituals. One reason spearmint became so widespread is its ability to spread rapidly. It grows from underground runners called rhizomes, which allow it to pop up in new places almost effortlessly. This makes it a gardener's friend for easy propagation, but also a potential invader if left unchecked. Today, spearmint is cultivated on a massive scale all over the world. The United States, in particular, has become a major producer, with vast fields dedicated to growing this versatile herb. But you'll also find spearmint farms in countries as far apart as India, China, and Morocco. Modern farmers harvest spearmint in huge fields, often using specialized equipment to gather the plants at their peak freshness. The leaves are then processed, and the essential oil is extracted through a method called steam distillation, a process that captures the plant's unique scent and flavor. This precious oil is a key ingredient in many everyday products. It gives toothpaste its clean, fresh taste, flavors chewing gum, and even finds its way into candies, mouthwashes, and cosmetics. But the story doesn't end there. After the oil is extracted, the leftover spearmint plant is often dried and used to make herbal teas, infusions, and culinary blends. This way, almost every part of the plant is put to good use, and very little goes to waste. From the ancient gardens of Greece and Rome to the sprawling modern farms of North America and beyond, spearmint's journey is truly global. Its story is one of adaptation, resilience, and enduring popularity. Thanks to its hardy nature and the versatility of its oil, spearmint has become a favorite herb in kitchens, gardens, and industries around the world. What started as a local plant has gone global, helped along by science, trade, and a little bit of luck. Today, spearmint is studied in labs, exported across continents, and enjoyed by millions. That's the remarkable story of spearmint. From wild herb to worldwide sensation, it's a plant that continues to connect people and cultures everywhere. The story of spearmint and its relationship with humans stretches back thousands of years, weaving through the fabric of many ancient civilizations. This humble herb, with its refreshing aroma and vibrant green leaves, has been cherished for both its practical uses and its symbolic meanings across cultures and eras. In ancient Rome, spearmint was more than just a plant. It was a daily companion. Romans chewed its leaves to aid digestion after their famously lavish feasts and to keep their breath fresh. They even scattered spearmint on their mosaic floors, filling their homes with a clean, invigorating scent that welcomed guests and masked less pleasant odors. The renowned Roman naturalist Pliny the Elder wrote that the very smell of spearmint could lift the spirits and energize the mind. He believed its fragrance was so powerful it could inspire scholars and bring joy to gatherings, making it a staple in Roman households and banquets. The Greeks, too, held spearmint in high regard. They infused their bathwater with its leaves, believing it could purify the body and sharpen the mind. In ancient Greek culture, spearmint symbolized hospitality and was often used to welcome guests, while its invigorating scent was thought to clear the mind and promote mental clarity. Spearmint's value was so great that it's even mentioned in the Bible, where it was considered precious enough to be used as a form of payment and offering. In bustling biblical marketplaces, bundles of mint were traded alongside coins, a testament to its worth in daily life and spiritual rituals. During the Middle Ages, spearmint found a new home in the gardens of monasteries. Monks carefully cultivated it, using its leaves to brew soothing teas and create healing balms. It was a trusted remedy for stomach aches, headaches, and a variety of other ailments, and its gentle flavor made it a favorite in medieval kitchens and infirmaries. When European settlers crossed the Atlantic to the New World, they brought spearmint with them, tucking seeds and cuttings into their precious cargo. In the rich soils of North America, spearmint flourished, quickly becoming a staple in colonial gardens and a symbol of home for those far from their native lands. Early American colonists continued the traditions of their ancestors, using spearmint to brew comforting teas and to flavor their food. Its familiar taste and aroma provided a sense of continuity and comfort, connecting generations across continents and centuries. For centuries, long before modern science could explain its properties, people treasured spearmint for its many uses. Herbalists carefully pressed its leaves into herbariums, apothecaries stocked jars of dried spearmint, and families passed down their favorite recipes and remedies. Through generations of trial and error, people discovered the many benefits of spearmint. They experimented with it in kitchens and sick rooms, learning how it could soothe, heal, and delight the senses. Spearmint was never just a weed, it was a treasured remedy, a symbol of hospitality, and a link between past and present. Today, its legacy continues, as both tradition and science celebrate the remarkable story of spearmint through the ages. Today, science is unlocking spearmint's secrets. Its oil has antimicrobial properties, making it a star in oral care products, not just for flavor, but for fighting germs. Researchers are studying spearmint's effects on memory and focus, especially in older adults. Compounds called polyphenols may help protect brain cells and boost cognitive function. In aromatherapy, spearmint's scent is uplifting and stress-relieving, affecting the brain's emotional centers. Science is also confirming its traditional use for digestion. Spearmint relaxes stomach muscles, easing indigestion and bloating. Some studies even suggest benefits for conditions like IBS. Modern research is proving what ancient wisdom already knew. Spearmint is a true scientific wonder. You probably have more spearmint at home than you realize. In the dental aisle, toothpastes and mouthwashes use spearmint oil for both flavor and germ-fighting power. In the candy aisle, chewing gum and mints rely on carvone for that cool, refreshing sensation. Spearmint tea, found in the beverage aisle, soothes digestion and is naturally caffeine-free. Just steeping the leaves releases its beneficial compounds. In the food aisles, you'll find mint sauces and jellies, plus spearmint in Middle Eastern and Asian dishes. It's even in soaps and shampoos for a fresh, clean feel. From your bathroom to your kitchen, spearmint is everywhere. It's a silent scientific partner in daily life. Next time you shop, look for the science behind the spearmint. It's in more products than you think. Ready for some surprising spearmint facts? Drinking spearmint tea may help women manage unwanted hair growth by lowering certain hormone levels. Spearmint oil is a natural pesticide, protecting stored grains from pests, good for farmers and the environment. Not all spearmint is the same. Different types produce different blends of chemicals, depending on where they're grown. Farmers breed strains high in carvone for the best flavor. Here's a life hack. Storing potatoes with fresh spearmint can keep them from sprouting thanks to carvone's natural growth-inhibiting power. Spearmint's hidden talents go far beyond flavor. It's a plant full of scientific surprises. The future of spearmint is bright and full of possibilities. Researchers are exploring its power against antibiotic-resistant bacteria, potentially boosting the effectiveness of medicines. Scientists are isolating compounds that may support brain health, aiming for natural supplements to keep our minds sharp. In agriculture, spearmint-based pesticides could help farmers protect crops without harmful chemicals. Geneticists may breed new varieties richer in beneficial compounds. Food scientists are experimenting with new uses and flavors. Spearmint's story shows how an ancient plant stays relevant in a high-tech world. Its potential in medicine, farming, and food is just beginning. Nature's solutions are often the most powerful. The best discoveries may still be ahead. Stay curious. Spearmint's journey isn't over. We've journeyed from a simple flavor to ancient history, modern science, and the future of farming. Next time you taste spearmint, remember the science and history behind it. Spearmint's carvone protects the plant and benefits us in countless ways. Ancient people knew its value. Today, science confirms it. Spearmint fights germs, aids digestion, and may even boost memory. It's a perfect example of science hiding in plain sight. This little green leaf connects our past and future. Even the most ordinary things can be extraordinary. Now that's what I call science.